Caleb,
Thank
look.
you,
Caleb,
Shannon.
look.
You're welcome.
Caleb, look.
He likes this song too.
From me.
Hey.
He's in his own little world now.
I couldn't have got him anything better, could I?
No doubt. You got him that
From
part?
me, King.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Wow.
Alright, then get that.
Aaron, from me. Hey.
That's so funny.
Woo!
I can't get over that. He's just like getting it. That's his,
This is for no one. Don't let him play with that one.
Aaron, thank you very much.
I'll let him open that one.
I don't think he's gonna play with anything. He doesn't even care about the treasures. He's just getting it.
Aaron, right also.
Shannon.
wow.
And Erica.
Thank you, Granny.
Oh, and I have
It's in your pocket.
That's just insane to me.
Just getting it.
I know. He's just so zoned.
I know. I saw him this morning. I'm like, Shannon, man, crossing here, more rhythm.
It's like
in your
those
body
guys
than
at
my
the raves that you
controls.
go to, they just dance the whole time.
Claxton, you want to open it
They're
now?
like 4 feet.
I think he's good with the one he has. You know he's got to get this from somebody, right?
Right.
That's totally
He's
Caelan's
taking your
kid.
dance moves.
Yeah, he's taking Caelan's dance moves.
I like when he does this one.
Wow.
That doesn't give me flashbacks. Excuse me.
Oh, there it is.
I just wish I knew what he's listening to
Noah,
right
get off
now.
of those. Noah.